there's always been like the saying that women create life. Like,
man, life right here. Until I release it, ain't no life. Nigga, I carry the seed. You just the garden. So the woman is the dirt. We got the seed. So that's why you have to be particular about where you plant your seed. Because before you know it, this motherfucker think they got the seed. I got the seed, and it's 10 million every time I nut. Man, you just got an egg for me to, yeah. Man, these hoes got this up. Man, yeah, nah, man, they still, man, yeah, they got this up.
That's not what God say. You know what God say in the Bible?
God, his child, that's what he said.
He say man carries the seed, not the woman, the man. Man carries the seed.
Her dad is black.
Okay, now a black woman can have a baby by a white man, and they'll say that baby is still black. No, the baby is white, because the white man.
So that's why I say she's black. Because her daddy is black.
Right, yeah, but you can't leave the mom out. She biracial.
She got a little black.
That's why she's so white looking. Because she looks like a white girl to me. She don't look black.
Well, I can't say that because she almost passed, and I'm like, when she told me when I first met her, I said, quit lying, because ain't nobody ever passed me back. And I said, come here, let me look at you. And I kept looking.
She can't pass for black.
I kept looking at her. I said, her nose.
She's white. White.
If you see her booty, you would be saying she white.
That's okay. White women got big booties.
Now they do. They used to be.
I know but they got big booties now.
Because they've been in that pool.
But
they've been in the pool, girl.
She couldn't tell nobody she's black.
There's so many like her now.
It's so white. I got mixed babies, and I got my mixed babies. You can tell they black because one of Gary's daughters, she got kinky hair.
You should have said
you cannot leave the mother out.
Who said I was leaving my mom out?
Okay. It's funny. What color is the daddy?
black.
How black?
Black.
Okay.
Push your neck up in the
okay. So she got more of her mother's genes than her daddy's genes. So she is white.
I'm not white.
I'm looking at you.
I'm not white.
Okay.
What you say, baby? What you say?
Copyright disclaimer. Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is